Hello friends, I'm LiWen from DanceInsanity. It's time for ankles and feet for Rumba walks. This is a really important tutorial because we are going to strengthen our feet and ankles for the Rumba walk. Why am I doing this tutorial? Because when my students first come to me, they're always struggling with balance in their Rumba walks. And Rumba walks are the fundamentals of Latin dancing. So how can you become a good dancer if you're always worried about your balance? That's why I'm going to show you how to create more power and articulation through your foot to create more strength, more stability as you do your Rumba walks for better, sexier leg lines. For today's video, we are again going to let go of our Latin heels. Oh, that was loud. This way, you can do these exercises when you just get up in the morning or before you're going to bed or when you're just taking a break from school or from work. Yeah, it's time for Footwork Friday. Let's get started. As high as you can. Now lift your lips up and lower, up and lower. Press down to the ball of your left foot. Nice. Back to the front foot, to the toe, ball and lower. Ball, toe, ball, lower. Ball, toe, ball, lower. Back heel, ball. All the way to the toe. Ball and lower. Keep pressing into the floor. 2 more times on the back foot. Ball and lower. Feel like you're squeezing your thighs together to help you balance. Nice. Now front heel lifts, back heel lifts, front heel lower, back heel lower. Again. Back side first. Back heel lifts, front heel lifts. One more time. Nice. Both heel lift up. Pull, lower 5, 6. Shift the foot back. Front heel lift. 2 more times. Press the forward. Now back foot. Press. Make sure both knees are straight. More strong. Last one. Ball to the toe, ball and lower. Again, ball to the toe, ball and lower. Keep pressing through the front of your left foot. Last one. Ball, toe, ball, heel. Back foot to the toe, ball and lower. Feel your weight shift all the way to your front foot. Last one, ball, all the way up to the toe. Nice. Now front heel lift, back heel lift, front heel lower, back heel lower. One more time, cycle. Hold it, lower. Now back heel lift, up, front heel lift, up, back, and lower. Nice. Cool. And both heel lift, hold, slowly lower. Repeat again. Up and down. Up and down. 2 more. Last one. Yeah, back foot. Up, down. Feel your glutes strong. 2 more. Nice. And front foot to the toe and ball and lower with control. Always control the landing of your heel. Feel the articulation through the arch of your foot. Back foot to the toe, ball and lower. Ball to the toe, ball and lower. One more. Alternate the lifting of the heel. And back heel, lower, and lower. Front heel lift, back heel lift. Nice. Back heel up first. Up. Front heel up. Back heel lower. Front heel lower. One more time. Yeah. Nice. Now both heel lifts. Hold it. Core strong. Lower down. Front foot to the back. Front heel lift. As high as you can. Press the floor away from you. Keep your belly strong. Back heel. Up and down. Up and down. Two more. Yeah. Nice. Front foot to the toe. Ball and lower. Ball. Point, squeeze your toes. Relax them. Lower. Point. Ball and lower. Ball. Point. Ball and lower. Back foot. To the point. Ball and lower. Ball. Get as high as you can to the tippy toe. Ball and lower. Ball. Toe. Ball. Last one. Ball. Toe. Ball. Front heel lift. Lift. Back heel lift. Front heel lower. How high can you get? Onto the balls of your feet. Yeah. Now back foot first. Back foot. Front foot. Back heel. Front heel lower. Last set and up. And slowly lower down. Alright. And that was it. Foot drills. Yeah, it's intense, right? Because you're using all your leg muscles. Even though we are just articulating through the toe, the ball of the foot, and using the ankles, but the rest of your legs are also working for you. And when you're not finding your balance and you're falling over, that is a really good sign because it's your body telling you, hey, you gotta work me a little stronger. You gotta pull your center a little tighter. Use your thighs a little more to create more balance. If you haven't looked at this other video that I made to stretch your feet and your ankles, then check that out. I love doing drills like these. I make these up and I just do them and I make my students do them and we all get stronger one day at a time. So maybe I'm a stickler for pain. I don't know. But there's something about kind of when your body is pushed to the edge and you feel like you really need to stop, but you go for it anyway and then you get stronger as a result of it. And I like that feeling of pushing myself, you know, and finding the edge of your muscles are trembling and you feel like, oh my God, I'm gonna fail. How much longer is this exercise gonna be? And then pushing yourself and doing it to the end and, you know, kind of feeling proud that you did it. So that's the feeling that I like to have, and I think that's a little bit of a high that dancing gives me. Does it happen to you? I don't know why I was talking about that. Anyway, I just felt inspired to share that with you. Are there more drills that you would like to see for other parts of the body? Maybe stretches or strengthening exercises? Just leave me a comment below. Let me know. Hey, if you enjoyed that drill, then you're really gonna like my introduction to spins course because it's cloaked full of drills like this one and much, much more. Training yourself to be a good spinner also exponentially help you become a better dancer. The link is right here, or actually right here. I'm pointing into space, but when you see this video, there's gonna be a card that you can click on. All right, I'm LiWen from DanceInsanity, and that was my Footwork Friday drills for you. I will see you in the next video.